Did you know? Did you know that Oreo was invented more than 100 years ago? An Oreo consists of two chocolate wafers separated by a cream filling. Oreo cookies are available in over 100 countries. Did you know that tuna is known for its great taste and nutritional content? Tuna has a strong flavor and is very healthy. It is packed with omega-3s, vitamins, B12, D, calcium, and iron. There are many species of tuna. They are very fast and can swim at speeds of more than 40 miles per hour. Did you know that milk powder and powdered sugar are two ingredients very much used in sweets and desserts? When liquid milk is dehydrated, it turns into milk powder. By adding water, it becomes liquid milk again. Milk powder is often used in recipes that call for milk. Powdered sugar or icing sugar is achieved by milling granulated sugar into a finally state as powder. As a quick dissolving sugar, it is frequently used as icing or frosting. Did you know that there are many different types of banana? The most popular is the soft and sweet, also known as a dessert banana. The fruits grow in hanging clusters called a bunch or banana stem. Each banana, also called a finger, grows in rows called tears or hands, as they resemble a hand with fingers. A hand consists of 10 to 20 fingers. Bananas are high in potassium and low in salt, which can help lower your blood pressure and protect your heart. Did you know that there are several types of dessert? A dessert is usually a sweet food that is eaten after a meal. The term dessert is widely used for puddings, custards, gelatins, ice creams, pastries, pies, cakes, tarts, biscuits, cookies, sweet soups, fruit salad, and dried nuts. Many desserts contain fruits due to their natural sweetness. Dried fruit and honey that were used early on to sweeten desserts were later replaced by the popular sugar. Did you know that pancakes are known all over the world? They are found in almost every culture. Each culture seems to have a unique take on them. Pancakes, flat cakes, grilled cakes, battered cakes, flapjacks, slapjacks, or hot cakes are some of the names by which pancakes are referred to. They are often eaten as breakfast, lunch, dinner, or supper. They are used as starters, appetizers, and desserts, or whenever someone wants a quick and delicious snack. But what is a pancake? Is it really a pan-fried cake? A pancake is a thin or flat cake prepared from a batter that includes flour, milk or buttermilk, eggs, butter, and is fried on both sides in a pan or on a griddle with a little oil or melted butter. Some people believe that pancakes have been around since the Stone Age. Did you know that there are more than 1,000 types of cheese that are produced in different countries? Cheese comes in many colors, shapes, sizes, and smells. Some of the most popular types of cheese are mozzarella, parmesan, cheddar, gouda, Swiss cheese, brie, camembert, feta, edam, blue cheese, and cottage cheese. Cheese is a dairy product derived from usually the milk of cows, buffaloes, goats, or sheep. A fun fact about cheese is that it was discovered by accident. It is said that more than 7,000 years ago, ancient people used to store food in the skins and inflated internal organs of animals. This storage container made from an animal's stomach caused the milk to turn into curds and whey. Because of the bacteria rennet from the stomach that curdles milk. Did you know that pina colada is a classic cocktail known throughout the world? It is a delicious cocktail with a colorful history. There are many variations of pina coladas around the world. The blue Hawaiian that adds blue curacao is one of the most popular ones. The name pina colada is Spanish. Pina means pineapple and colada means strain. So you can say it is a strained pineapple cocktail, with the pineapple juice being a very important ingredient. It is said that pina colada was invented by a Puerto Rican born pirate. Unfortunately, his exact recipe has been lost forever. However, it is another Puerto Rican, a bartender in San Juan, that is said to has created the actual recipe for pina colada. Traditional pina colada has rum, cream of coconut or coconut milk, and pineapple juice. It can be served blended or shaken with ice. A pineapple wedge or maraschino cherry or both is used to garnish the cocktail with. Did you know that peanuts aren't real nuts? Peanuts are actually legumes. They grow underground and not on trees like real nuts such as chestnuts and hazelnuts. They are known as peanut, groundnut, goober, pindar, or monkey nut. Peanuts are edible seeds inside pods and are part of the legume, bean, or pea family of soybeans, chickpeas, peas, clover, licorice, and lentils. Peanut is widely grown in the tropics and subtropics. Their taste is similar to tree nuts such as walnuts and almonds. Peanuts are categorized as nuts for culinary purposes. There are actually four different types of peanuts. It is said that peanut butter was developed in the 19th century, but researchers believe the ancient Aztecs started mashing up peanuts hundreds of years ago. Did you know that apart from being delicious, eggs are very nutritious? Eggs are packed with protein and amino acids. They can be part of a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. They can be fried, poached, boiled, or baked. Both the egg's yolk and the egg white have the same amount of protein. The difference is in the calories. Yolks have much more calories than the whites. All eggs start out white in their development. If you want to know if an egg is fresh, place it in a cup of water. If it floats, it's an old egg and you rather not eat it. If it remains on the bottom, it's fresh and usually safe to eat. Brown eggs are more expensive than white eggs, even though their quality is the same. Why? Because the hens that lay brown eggs are bigger breeds, and these hens need more food. Did you know that there are many varieties, colors, and different tastes of fruit? Fruits are delicious and nutritious. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers, which makes them a natural medicine. Fruits improve digestion and keep your body fit and healthy. Red colored fruits are perfect for your heart. They keep it strong. Orange colored fruits are good for your eyesight. Yellow colored fruits keep sickness away. Green colored fruits are the ones to eat if you want strong bones and teeth. Blue and purple fruits help enhance memory. If you want to stay awake rather than drinking a cup of coffee, eat an apple. It will give you more energy. Its natural sugar is more potent than the caffeine in coffee. Strawberries are special because they are the only fruit with seeds on the outside. Did you know that pistachios were very popular since prehistory? Pistachios are known as the smiling nut, the happy nut, or the green almond. Pistachio trees grow in dry climate. The fruit of a pistachio tree is a drupe with a large seed. This is the edible part. The seed inside the beige shell has a pale purple skin and light green flesh. The green and purple color of the pistachio seed is due to antioxidants. Pistachios are a good source of protein, fiber, thiamine, and phosphorus, and they are an excellent source of vitamin B6, copper, and manganese. It is scientifically believed that a daily intake of 1.5 ounces of nuts, such as pistachios, can reduce the risk of heart disease. So, now